Okay, ladies, so what's up? Michaela here. I have another review for you. I cut my hair. What do you guys think? She's still flat though. I feel like, I don't know. Anyway, so I have another review from Based Bistro. I found them and I liked their recipe because it's so simple. They literally are saying water and cashews. So let's go ahead and let's try this. Okay, so I don't even know why I needed to do that intro because literally this is what I'm doing, you guys. That's it. That's all I'm doing. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, so yeah, they said water, and cashews. Like, that's it. Like, literally, you can click the link. I mean, the foundation is fire. You can't, I mean, protein, period, facts. So, I feel like I want to put some ice in it though. All right, we'll try it out. Okay. Cheers. It's good. It tastes like a thick water. Cashews aren't really salty. You know, it'd be fire though. Like, let's say you didn't want to go the sugar route. Putting in like a little bit of pepper. You can put in a little bit of ginger. You can put in a little bit of, you don't have to go the sugar route because technically this is a meal. With the amount of protein, I don't have my glasses. But it's probably like 5 grams of like protein, right? And yeah, you don't have to go the sweet route. You can make it into like more of like a dinner, like the dinner route. And I'm not saying like this would be good to have with steak. If you want no sugar in this, like you want no dates, no agave, you just want something cold and like not sugary, I would have this with a good juicy A1 steak and a really good like vegetable tofu salad. So yeah, this is fire. I do like the foundation. The foundation is lit. I do like dates. I'm gonna go ahead and put like 2 because I'm fancy. Okay. Easy. Made it a lot sweeter. So good. This is what you drink before you go out. Put like your little cute little sundress on. Make sure your hair is done and like up. Make sure it's nice and alive and put some like cute makeup. And some of that Jergens like body shimmer. Oh my God, ladies, like I haven't bought in it yet. It's not expensive. It's like $11.42 a bottle. I want to try it, but this is good. Like even if like you're nervous before your date and you need substance, but you don't want to be super, super full, boom. Until next time, ladies.